Hello everyone, this is Zack's pronunciation. The name of this Argentine footballer is pronounced Julián Álvarez. Julián Álvarez. Julián Álvarez. Julián Álvarez. The beginning is like J, not H. Julián. The emphasis is on the last syllable an. Julián. And in the second word, the emphasis is on the beginning syllable al. And the middle syllable is ba. V is pronounced like B. And the ending is like S, not Z. Julián Álvarez. Julián Álvarez. Julián Álvarez. He is an Argentine forward known for his work rate, pressing, movement, and finishing. Julián Álvarez. Julián Álvarez. Julián Álvarez. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation for more pronunciation videos. See you in the next video.